Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We got the dogs out. So today we are going to be working on the TL. We got a little something that's going to excuse me. We got a little something that's going to pull the shape of the car together. I don't know what the quality of this video is going to look like because I'm not using the filters on this new camera, but hopefully it looks good. She's a little dusty. It rained the other day, but yeah, we're gonna get her going, give her a quick wash. Right now she's just warming up, gotta air her up, but yeah, we got something that'll definitely enhance the look of the car. I also got a few more mods. Ooh, not the air. Ooh. Anyways, yeah, so, but let me show you guys real quick what we're working with. Shout out to my homie, UA6xJ. He recently got rear-ended and he was gracious enough to donate. Ugh, look at that shit. Cheeks. He was gracious enough to donate. Just kidding. No, he sold me his rear, what is this shit? Hold on. HIC window visor. But yeah, so that's an M3 tape. I already cleaned it off for the most part. Guys, if you guys buy secondhand, always do your prep work. So what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna retape it in a bit, but I'm gonna move the Acura, put it right here, and then we're gonna wash it real quick, and we're gonna throw that bitch on, and then that'll be that mod. But very simple, very clean. We'll definitely pull the look of the TL together on the outside, and then on the inside I got some more goodies as well. So I'll show you guys that in a bit, and then we'll make other videos of the installation of the other stuff on another video. But yeah, there you get it. We got mods for this car. We picked up some stuff for this car, for the Mercedes, and for the Lexus. So we're definitely gonna do some stuff, guys. Alright, time to move the Acura. Let's get it. Alright guys, so we got the TL. She parked. She is dusty, as you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can't see. So she's dusty. It rained the other day, so we're gonna get that taken care of. But let me just show you right quick. What else we got. So besides the, look at this. Besides the roof spoiler, I just want to show you guys the interior real quick. I'm not a fan of this color scheme. I mean, it's cool, but it's not hard enough. Like, it's nice, but it just don't slap. You know what I'm saying? Like, you open the car and I'm just like, oh yeah, it's nice, right? It's blue but cream now. So here's what we're gonna do. We got the endless RPM V1s with the matching headrests. So we're gonna throw that bitch in a little bit later. For now, we're just gonna work on the small stuff, and then when I get to that, I will take you guys along with me, and we're basically gonna swap out this fucking interior because it is cheeks. I don't like it. Alright guys, so now that the TL is decently cleaned up and washed a bit, I'm gonna go ahead and install the rear window visor. So gotta just make sure your surface is dry and clean, which it is. That's what it's gonna look like when it goes on. Gee, look at that thing. But first, we need to apply 3M. So I'm gonna put this camera down real quick. Actually, let me see if I can just stand it up. Let me see. Is it working? Gee, yeah, it's working. Hopefully this shit does not fucking fall. I will be so sad. Alright. So, tape. And then we're just gonna take quick measurements. We get this first, the corners. Gotta go exactly lane. Cut. Rule of thumb, guys. Measure twice, cut once. Once again. This side real quick. Make sure that shit's clean though. See the fingerprints. Alright. Let them lay down. There it is. Cool. Happy holidays, guys. I almost forgot. People still say that? No. Alright. And then now you just slap it on. No, just kidding. Just kidding. No, I still gotta do the long side, so I'm gonna put the camera down and I'm gonna do it once I'm done. But yeah, just give me a second. Right back. Alright guys, so now we have it done. Oh, here. Let's see, right there. There it is. Light's kind of ass, but whatever. Now that it's done, what we're gonna do is we are going to measure it as far where as it sits on the rear windshield. So first you want to line it up, and then you want to check the other side too. So some people like to do it like right to the line, like flush. However, everybody's different, and it all depends on what look you're going for. So sometimes it's slightly off or whatever. Your best bet is to peel back one corner, which is what I like to do, and then let it stick. That way you can see where it can actually line up against as far as how the visor lines up to your windshield. So I'm just going to peel this little off right here. That way it can stay in place. Guys, make sure your surfaces are clean, because if they're not, you're going to waste your adhesive. You're going to have to re-tape it. So I'm going to go ahead and just lightly press it on. I'm going to, let's see. It's really hard to do this with the camera in my hand, guys, so bear with me if you guys can't really see shit at the moment, but I usually have my brother, one of my brothers help me, but it's cool. Okay, got it. So I got that. I'm just gonna go ahead and gently place it down like that. So first I'm gonna put it right on the corner and make it flush. So just a nice little press. That way it holds. Come around this side and see if it. See, look at that. See? So we know that it's on the corner on one side, but look at this little tiny gap. So what we're gonna have to do is slide it over, so where it's just a hair on both sides. So I'm gonna finish up, then I'll show you the final product. So see you guys in a second. All right, guys. So now the visor is on, and I don't think you can really see it on the screen. It's very, let's see. Yeah, you can kind of see it, but I mean, when you see it in person, it doesn't help that the background's like black. Maybe on this side. Here, there it is. There you go. Looks a lot better. So as expected, the fitment obviously will never be perfect with these parts. So what I did was I left a little bit of a gap on both sides. Right here, you can kind of see it. But for the top, there's a gap all the way across. And so what I did was, instead of leaving it like right at the tip, I scooted it just a little bit more forward than the corner. So that way I could scoot up the center a little bit better. You can see a little bit better on that side, but yeah. But it's on, and it's sturdy. What I like to do after I've placed it on, just grab a microfiber and then just run pressure across. That way it sticks like this. Use a towel so you don't cut your hand. But whew, that's gonna do it for this quick DIY. That's gonna do it for this quick DIY. Dang. Or let that go, it would fall. I'll put it right here. Ugh. And I'll turn the camera up. There it goes. Right there. That's gonna do it for this quick DIY. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys like the content, feel free to subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, stay tuned for the next one. We have, like I said, more interior stuff, and then we also still have stuff for the Mercedes and the Lexus, but we're taking it slow. That's what it looks like from the rear, which is also nice, but in the daytime it's gonna look pretty snazz. Alright guys, well, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.